السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. كيف الحال؟ أتمنى أنكم بخير. How are you? Are you fine? I hope you all are fine. We can learn Arabic. What we learned in our last class? Do you remember? Do you know? Anyone? Yes, very good. We learned in last class using hada. Using hada in a sentence. Do you remember? Yes. Hada. What is the meaning of hada? Hada means this. Hada means this. Which words are we learned in our class? Kitabun. Kitabun, book. Kitabun, book. This is a book. This is a book. How to say in Arabic? How to say in Arabic? This is a book. Hada kitabun. Hada kitabun. Then next word qalamun. Qalamun means pen. This is a pen. This is a pen. What we say, how to say in Arabic? This is a pen. Please translate into Arabic. This is a pen. Hada qalamun. Hada qalamun. Then next word kursiyun. Kursiyun means chair. Kursiyun means chair. This is a chair. This is a chair. Translate into Arabic. This is a chair. Hada kursiyun. Hada kursiyun. Then next word, do you remember? Next word? Yes, very good. Sullamun. Sullamun, ladder. This is a ladder. This is a ladder. Translate into Arabic. Hada sullamun. Hada sullamun. Then last word we learned sundukun. Sundukun means box. Sundukun, box. This is a box. This is a box. How to say in Arabic? This is a box. Hada sundukun. Hada sundukun. Do you study well these words, these sentences? Yes, very good. We can learn more words. Today we can learn more words. Listen here. Tiflun. Tiflun. Tiflun means, do you know? Tiflun, child. Very good. Child. Then next word rajulun. Rajulun means, rajulun means man. Rajulun, man. Then tabibun. Tabibun means doctor. Tabibun, doctor. Then next word larfun. Larfun. Larfun, envelope. Envelope. Larfun, envelope. Then last word is filun. Filun, elephant. Feelun, elephant. Then listen here. This is a child. This is a child. How to say in Arabic, this is a child? Using hada. Make sentence this word by using hada. Hada tiflun. Hada tiflun. This is a child. Hada tiflun. The next word rajulun. Rajulun means man. Rajulun, man. This is a man. This is a man. Translate into Arabic. This is a man. Hada rajulun. Hada rajulun. Next, doctor. Tabibun means doctor. Tabibun, doctor. This is a doctor. This is a doctor. How to say in Arabic, this is a doctor? Hada tabibun. Hada tabibun. Next, larfun means envelope. Larfun, envelope. This is an envelope. This is an envelope. How to say in Arabic? Hada larfun. Hada larfun. The next word is feelun. Feelun, elephant. Feelun, elephant. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. How to say in Arabic? Hada feelun. Hada feelun. Do you understand these words? Yes. Make the sentence with these words by using hada. Make the sentence with these words by using hada. Got it? Clear? Yes, very good. We can discuss about hadhihi. Then we can discuss about hadhihi. Listen here. Hadhihi. Hadhihi. What is the meaning of hadhihi? What is the meaning? Hadhihi. This. This. Hada means this. Hadhihi means this. What is the difference between hada and hadhihi? What is the difference between hada and hadhihi? Do you know? Anyone? Do you know? What is the difference between hada and hadhihi? Do you know? Listen here. Hada means this. Hadhihi means this. Use hada in male word. Using hada in male word. Clear? Using hada in male word and use hadhihi in female word. Use hada in mudhakkar word and using hadhihi is in muannas word. For example, listen here. Urfatun. Urfatun. Urfatun means room. Urfatun, room. Listen here. Here, this is a room. This is a room. How to say in Arabic? This is a room. This is a room. This is a room. How to say in Arabic? ഹാദിഹി ഉർഫത്തുൻ. ഹാദിഹി ഉർഫത്തുൻ. ലിസൺ. ഹാദിഹി ഉർഫത്തുൻ. ഹാദിഹി ഉർഫത്തുൻ. ക്ലിയർ? ദിസ് ഈസ് എ റൂം. ഹാദിഹി ഉർഫത്തുൻ. How to find out the male word and female word? How to find out the female word and male word? Do you know how to find out mudhakkar and muannath? Listen. If come ta in last of word, if come ta, it is a muannas. If come ta in last of word, that is a muannas word, that is a female word. So use hadihi. If come muannas word, so use sentence in a hadihi urfatun. Clear? Then next word tawilatun. Tawilatun means table. Tawilatun table. Is it word muannas or mudhakkar? Do you know? Is it word muannas or mudhakkar? Yes, it is a muannas word. Why? The last word of this is a ta. If come ta in last word, it is a muannas word. It is a female word. If female word, use hadihi. This is a table. Translate into Arabic. This is a table. Hadihi tawilatun. Clear? Use hadihi in word muannas. Clear? Listen here. We learned this is a room. How to say in Arabic? This is a room. Hadihi urfatun. Then next word tawilatun. This is a table. Hadihi tawilatun. Then next word fakihatun. Fakihatun means fruits. Very good. Fruits. Fakihatun, fruit. This word is mudhakkar or muannas? Yes, very good. This word is muannas. In last letter is ta. Okay, clear? So it is muannas word. This is a fruit. How to say in Arabic? This is a fruit. How to say in Arabic? Hada fakihatun. Hadihi fakihatun. Fakihatun is a word muannas. So we use in sentence hadihi. Fakihatun. Hadihi fakihatun. Hadihi fakihatun. Clear? Then next word mikwatun. Mikwatun. Mikwatun means, do you know? Mikwatun meaning iron box. Yes, very good. Iron box. Mikwatun, iron box. It is a mudakkar or muannas word? Yes, very good. It is muannas word. Clear? It is muannas word. So, this is an iron box. This is an iron box. How to say in Arabic? This is an iron box. Hadihi mikwatun. Hadihi mikwatun. Clear? Hadihi mikwatun. This is an iron box. Hadihi mikwatun. This is an iron box. Okay. Then next word kalansuvatun. Kalansuvatun. Do you know the meaning of kalansuvatun? Kalansuvatun. Meaning, what is the meaning of kalansuvatun? We learned in last class. Yes, very good. Cap. Kalansuvatun, cap. Kalansuvatun, cap. Is it word muannas or mudakkar? Muannas or mudakkar? Yes, it is a muannas word. It is a muannas word. This is a cap. This is a cap. This is a cap. How to say in Arabic? This is a cap. Hadihi kalansuvatun. Hadihi kalansuvatun. Hadihi kalansuvatun. Hadihi kalansuvatun. This is a cap. Hadihi kalansuvatun. This is a cap. Clear? All of you understand? Yes. How to find out the mudakkar word and muannas word? If the letter ta in last of word, that is a muannas word. Clear? That is a muannas word. Kalansuvatun. For example, kalansuvatun. Here the last letter is ta. So, it is a muannas word. If in sentence kalansuvatun, if come the muannas word using in hadihi. And listen, if the word mudakkar using hada, I think all of you understand. Clear? Yes, listen here. I show a chart for you. This is an homework. This is a homework for you. This is a homework for you. This is a homework. Take your notebook and write this work. Okay? Translate into Arabic. Translate into Arabic. Tarjim ila al-lughatil arabiyya. Tarjim ila al-lughatil arabiyya. Number 1. This is a room. This is a room. How to say in Arabic? Please translate into Arabic. Okay. Next one. This is a table. This is a table. Next. This is a book. This is a book. Then fourth one. This is a fruit. This is a fruit. Fifth one. This is a pen. Fifth one. This is a pen. Please write in Arabic. Okay. Sixth one. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Seventh one, this is a doctor. This is a doctor. Clear? Take your notebook and write in Arabic. Please translate into Arabic. Tarjim ila al-lughatil arabiyya. Ready? Are you ready? Yes, very good. Let us wind up today's class. Inshallah, see you on next class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.